Good evening, students. So now I hope that everybody is well informed about the test cities. Now a lot of students, yesterday we were discussing that students who are staying in Kerala, there are allotted cities somewhere in Andhra Pradesh, almost 1000 to 1600 kilometers away from their hometown. So, somewhere it reminds me of the fact that if you all remember, Mr. Shashi Tharoor had actually requested NBMS to increase the number of centers in Kerala, specifically because the number of centers was very less and the window got closed within minutes or I think within 1 or 2 hours of opening, and the students were not able to find any center in Kerala. So this was the reason, and now it is quite visible. See, the impact is visible that Kerala doesn't have centers, and the students of Kerala are now forced to go to other states, travel to that area one day before the exam, and then face all these problems. So I hope that these things will become all right in due course of time. Another thing is that 31st of July is the date when NBMS is going to send you the admit cards. And I just hope that they don't do this kind of fiasco in sending the admit cards, because the exam is on 3rd of August and 31st July the date is for the admit cards. और अगर वो नहीं आए admit cards तो जो panic आप लोगों में होगा वो it is going to be very disturbing, unnecessary disturbance before the exams. I mean, I don't understand why don't they give the admit cards well in advance. What is the point in giving admit cards just 2 days before the exam? ऐसा तो है नहीं कि इसमें कोई डी बार हो रहा है या कुछ और हो रहा है कि हम admit card नहीं दे रहे हैं. I mean, everybody is going to get the admit card who has applied for it and who has paid the required fees. So admit card should be released well ahead of time, not just 2-3 days ahead of the exam, because if there's some problem, then it is going to be very difficult for the student. So somewhere the policies have to be student centric rather than system centric, or rather the system has to be made in such a way so that things become smooth and not unnecessarily problematic or depressing or disturbing for the students.